Hey guys, this is a video on my 1971 Ariens Sno-Thro snowblower. Now, I bought this for $300 9 years ago, and it's still going strong. I've used it every winter since, and it really hasn't let me down. A couple times it's failed to start or whatever, but it's been running really pretty well lately. Starts always on the second pull. What I like about this is that it's just all metal everywhere. The only plastic you really see is on the gas tank and one of the shroud pieces for the belt. But other than that, it's all metal. One of the funny things about these is that just the utter lack of safety consideration, where you could throw the auger blade, engage it, put it in drive, and walk away, and the snowblower will just take off on you. You can step away from the controls here, and you can have the auger blades turning and go work on it, and you know the blades are still turning. Now, someone had put another engine on this years ago. I had heard from the guy I bought it from that he got it from a housing complex, housing development, so it had some pretty heavy use. But it's got this other older Tecumseh engine on it now. I don't know how many horsepower it is, but the funny thing about these also is to turn it off, you literally have to push this metal piece to ground it against the spark plug wire. That's how you shut the whole thing off. We just got 9 inches of snow last night, so we're going to put this thing to the test and see how it does. We usually don't get that much snow in one day, so let's see how it does. So that's the 1971 Ariens Sno-Thro. Served me really well over the years for 300 bucks, giving me very few problems. Now, do any of you guys have one of these? I'm curious about your stories about the longevity and maybe any kind of common maintenance tips you have for me. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. Hope this winter ends soon. Haha. Bye.